This is exactly how I feel right now. Like, that's what I look like in my head at this very moment. I am back here in Cincinnati at Ohio Valley Antique Mall. I've only been here one time. I was with George and Jocelyn. The thing that really rocks about this place is that it's open until 9 o'clock. And I'm on vacation, so I'm flying solo. I'm not trying to go back to my hotel yet. So let's go in and see what they got. It's been a while since I've been here. This one's great. Look at the shape. 1650. It's a little close. I feel like I could swing it though. The gold drizzle on it makes it extra unique. Look at this. Oh, it's so broken. That's why. Look at that funny guy. Italian. That's a good one. De Simone. And look at you. Here's some more. 3750. But again, very repaired, unfortunately. That's a shame. What's this one? $40. German. Interesting. Some doll heads. Kind of like the shape of this wilting rose pin. That's quite sweet. Tulip pin. Is it a sad tulip or a sad rose? Weirdly into this guy. That's kind of a wild paint job on him. Ooh. Is this what I think it is? Gibson. Dang, I thought it was going to be a LeVay one. I'm going to leave that. Ooh, look at these fun little cats. They're cute. $8, 15% off. Little nick on the ear. But, kind of a fan anyway. Some fun dog figurines. Look at this guy. This guy looks German. Is he? Strange. It's like a fake-out German. Made in Japan. The poodles are fun. $12. Oh my gosh, look at the poodle candle. That would be mush in my car, but really fun. Another reason why I don't do candles. These are really sweet. Victorian, 2 for $30. Look at this. This is interesting. Oh, it's Hager. That's interesting. I wouldn't have thought that. This is kind of pretty. That periwinkle color. $8.95. That's kind of nice. For $9, I think I'll take that. And this one's really fun too. Check this out. Hager, $12. That's a fun piece. It's like a swung vase, but pottery. 12 bucks, I'll take that. Oh my gosh, I wish I could fit in that little yellow dress. That is so spectacular. Oh, look at this little owl. Salt and pepper shakers. Unfortunately, I only see one. I don't see his friend anywhere. Oh, half. Just kidding. These are interesting. Small Indian pottery bowls. Set of 2. What is this fabulous thing? Vintage. Oh, it's 2 different pieces. I thought that was one piece. I was like, I've never seen it together like that. Well, there you go. Really neat, though. What in the world is this? You are everything. Wow, that's a great chalkware piece. I don't know how well that would sell. $25. If it was for me, I wouldn't think twice, but I'm a little nervous at that price. This is a great color of this. Oh, man. USA, I love this ashtray. It definitely looks used, but it's really fun. The melamine, I believe that's what it's called, for $7. As found, I don't know, is it 2 used? I don't think I've ever even seen a pink splatter one. This cat is everything. $30 though. This is so good. Whoa, this is fun. Andrea West. That poodle is definitely unwell. Ooh, super into this. This looks like it's gonna be German. $39. Robert Reiber Raku vase. Ah, interesting. I might Google that. Robert Reiberg, and that is definitely a very good price. I'll be taking that. So cool. I saw anywhere around 150 to 240, although I do think it's more around the 1 to 150 range. And then over here, it's missing its spoon, but the bee, $14. It's also missing its case. This is a pretty epic pitcher. $45. Looks Czechoslovakian. Oh God, it's heavy. Avco China, USA. Really cool. Love the look of that. A couple custard uranium pieces. Heisey Berry Bowl, $12. I'll take that. And then over here, Heisey Custard Tumbler, $15. That's pretty nice, but it's not as exciting. This little clock is kind of magical, isn't it? $79. Looks German. Yep, West Germany. Hello, Italian spaghetti. Oh, Germany. No, it's Italy, see? $9. I'll take that. He's got a great look to him. $8 on these cats. $8 each. I'll take both. Ah, this booth. This booth had so many amazing things. Oh my God. Look at this. Heart-shaped tin tray, enamel painted. Looks Russian. I do see a Russian signature. $30. That's pretty amazing. I don't know about that. I will say I loved this nude vase, but it is as is. It's got a crack. And the Burmese one, a little too high for resale. This is quite gorgeous, $30. That's a little less than what I got for my last one after fees. What is this thing? Weird. And I love the bell at 40. I've done that before. I bought it for like 30 and it sold for like 45. I'm not gonna mess with it again. Bells aren't the best selling things, even though I love that quilted optic look. Now this vanity tray, God, that's gorgeous. 45 though. I was kind of attracted to this little piece. Kindle holder, cobalt. It's really thick glass, kind of interesting, $6. But this, is it painted? I think that might be painted. Yeah, really interesting though. I love that color. If it was actually black with like a crackle, I would do that. No brainer. A lot of contemporary costume. Let's see. More contemporary costume. Looking for those random old funky lucite bangles mixed in, the ones with extra pizzazz. What is this snail? $20 and it's signed. That's freaking cool. I feel like that's a safe bet. I'm gonna get that. And what do we have here? Cute little heart tokens. I love the mushroom. That's fun. Somebody made that out of resin. Oh my gosh, look at this mouse. He's fantastic. 15 though. Ooh. 25 on the mustard jar. Little lucite piece. Running out of time, so I'm kind of making sure I only pick up things that are super, super exciting. I'll tell you what really excites me. The Curly Kate old display from the store. That's amazing. That's a great Italian Empoli pitcher. I don't usually like the ones with handles, but I have to know how much it is. $95. What is this tin toy? Wild West Rodeo. How fantastic. Marks, of course, they made the best tin toys. $69. That and J. Chen. This is a cool pottery piece, probably a hobbyist one, but whoop, $24. I like this funny looking cat. Oh, he's got a big chip though. Look at all the Joseph originals. I'm gonna pick out a couple special ones. I love the bubblegum one. That always does well for me. That one's at $10. I'll take that. They're all $10. That's a great buy. To My Love. That's so cute. Pills. That's a funny one. Gosh, it's kind of hard not to take everything, but I only have about 20 minutes and I'm determined to finish the antique mall. Not come back, but determined to at least have the option. $27.50 on that one. That's a really nice Nice one. I thought these were paperweights as well, but a viewer actually pointed out that she believes that they were the top of jam jars at one point. Really interesting. Now I see it. Let's see what's on the top of this. Interesting. Made in China. I don't want that. Wow, I really like the look of this. Czechoslovakia hand painted, 45. I don't think I could get much more out of that. Oh, that's so good though. If it was a little less, I'd do it. Oh my God, stop it. Hong Kong flocked. What's up there? $7 sold. And I don't usually pick these up. Unfortunately, this one's got liquid in it, but I would get that color with the bow tie. If it didn't have the liquid in it, I don't mess with liquid under any circumstance. Wow, this is really pretty. 24 on that one, but this one's 15, and I like this one better. This one's gonna come with me. Love this leopard. How much is that? $15. That feels like a good price. That's made in Japan. That's in like pristine condition. Also this, $64. Wow, that's pretty. Over here, this is what I was going for. What the heck is this? Dino Martin's red glass, $159 firm, no discount. That is so wild. Like this pink Fenton shoe, 19. This flower frog is pretty great. $10 on that. I feel like that's a good buy. I'm gonna get that. I'm making sure it's not damaged. Oh, look at you. The jeweled cat. Unfortunately, it's chipped and $25. I would consider doing that if it wasn't chipped, honestly. I feel like I looked at this last time, but just in case. $60. Oh, so pretty. A little close though. Oh my gosh, look at this. That is so pretty. As is $35. Yeah, see, it's got some serious damage on it. Oh my God. $300. 15%. I feel like that's pretty much everything. Ah, this is crazy. I picked up this really fun textured ceramic seashell planter for $7. Now I'm looking over here, $28.50. All check glass. This is the one that's really interesting to me. It's missing the top lid though. Thought it was gonna be black. The jar at $45 is pretty much everything. $38.50 on the back, $24 on this guy. All really good deals. And the Blinko tangerine dimple glasses, those are $25 each. That's a good price. Oh my gosh, the trays. Those are so good. $40 each. Looks like good things come to those who wait. I wanted this one in Medina, and I found it here for 15 bucks. I'll take that. Just making sure it's not repaired. That's a pretty good price. Whoa, look at you guys. $11.95. They're pretty great. $12 each. Those are pretty fun. I think I'll do well with those. And then look at this little box. Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. That's $9. I'm gonna take that. 5 minutes. Look at this thing. Well, I somehow managed to do this entire place in 2 hours. I definitely didn't get to spend as much time in the last section as I wanted to. There's just one last thing I have to look at again before I check out. I know my hair looks crazy. I tried to walk away, but at $250, I think this is a really, really special buy. I'm walking away. All right, the price is right. Dagny and Sandy both said, dude, what are you doing? Go get it. I'm gonna regret it if I leave it. Well, that was slightly insane. I spent $1,113 in there, but keep in mind, I walked away with a once in a lifetime lamp, Van Briggle with the original shade. I think it was worth well over twice what I paid, well, almost twice what I paid for it. I also walked away with the L.E. Smith Lilac and 2 really incredible eye cult vases and a bunch of other really good stuff. I think I made out pretty well, especially with some recent comps on eBay. I looked up while I was in there. I'm hot, I'm tired. Hold on, you have to know how many miles I walked today. I actually didn't walk as many as I thought I did. I walked like 7,000 steps today in my Walmart flops. My Walmart slides. I don't know where I'm going. I think I'm just gonna get a hotel and call it a night. It's like 9 o'clock at night, by the way. I shopped for 11 hours. Shopped and drove for 11 hours. I did Toledo and I did Cincinnati, and tomorrow I'm going to Springfield. I'll see you guys then.